Okay, good morning everyone. My name is Teacher Kyron and I hope you all are good and everyone is staying safe. Okay, so this is the 6th lesson of the theme Body and Face, and in this lesson we're going to go over all that we've done under this theme. Okay, so before we begin, can we just go over what we've learned so far? Okay, what body parts did we learn so far? We learned the head, the arm, hand, leg, and foot. Okay, then we learned eyes, nose, ears, and mouth. Then we learned hair, chin, cheeks, teeth, and lips. Okay, so for this lesson, I need you to take out your Smart Start student book and open to page 40. Okay, Smart Start student book and open to page 40, please. Okay, section A says listen and tick the box. Okay, so I'm going to call out the words and you're going to tick the box. Okay, can you see the example in number 1? Nose, and we're going to put a tick at the bottom of the picture. So the first word is cheeks. Cheeks. Okay, can you put a tick at the bottom of the picture of cheeks? Number 2, it is tongue. Number 2 is tongue. Number 3 is leg. Number 3 is leg. Okay, and number 4 is foot. Number 4 is foot. Okay, so we got that. Number 1, cheeks. Number 2, tongue. Number 3, leg. And number 4, foot. B, it says look and read. Put a tick or a cross in the box. So the first one is our example. Okay, it says touch his hand. Okay, can you all see? Touch his hand. That is true. Okay, the sentence matches the picture. Okay, now let's try some. Number 1. So we got Mary and Sue, and it says Sue is thinner than Mary. Okay, let's look at the picture again. So we got Mary and Sue. Is Sue thinner than Mary? No, Mary is thinner than Sue. So we need to put a cross in the first box. Number 2, touch his cheek. Touch his cheek. Let's look at the picture. Yes, the boy is touching his cheek. So we need to put a tick in that box number 2. Okay, in picture 3 we have Jane and Lily. Okay, and then it says Jane is shorter than Lily. Jane is shorter than Lily? Let's look at the picture. Is Jane shorter than Lily? No, Lily is shorter than Jane. So we need to put a cross in box number 3. And number 4 says touch his leg. And if you look at the picture at number 4, the boy is touching his chin. So we need to put a cross at number 4. Okay, now let's open up our Smart Start workbooks to number pages 36 and 37, please. Okay, our Smart Start workbook, page 36 and 37. Section A, it says, look at the pictures, look at the letters, and write the words. Okay, can you see the example? It's a picture of an ear. The letters are given A, R, E, and you have to write them down in the correct order. E, A, R. It says questions. Number 1. Okay, it's a picture of a nose, and then we've been given S-O-N-E. Okay, and the correct way to spell nose is N-O-S-E. Number 2, it's a picture of eyes, and the letters that we're given are E-S-Y-E. Number 3, the arrow is pointing at the boy's hair, and the letters we're given are R-I-A-H. And number 4, arrows are pointing at the boy's cheeks, and the letters we're given are S-E-K-E-C-H. Second B says, look at the pictures, read and write the answers. Example, what does he look like? He has blue eyes. Second example, what do they look like? Tom is, again we've got taller in the bottom, so it says Tom is taller than Ben. Now questions. Number 1, what does she look like? Number 2, what or Sue than Lucy? Okay, if you look at the picture, we've got Sue and Lucy, and the word shorter at the bottom. You could say Sue is shorter than Lucy. And number 3, we've got Sam and Tony, and the word thinner. You can say Tony is thinner than Sam. Okay, so here are our answers. In the beginning, so student book, section A, number 1, the answer was B, picture B, cheeks. Number 2 was picture A, tongue. Number 3, the answer was picture B, leg. And number 4 was picture C, foot. Okay, then we got Sue is thinner than Mary, and this is supposed to be X or a cross. touch his cheek, that's a tick. Jane is shorter than Lily, it's a cross. And touch his leg is a cross. And then the answers for the section in the workbook. Okay, N-O-S-E. Okay, it's correct spelling of nose. E-Y-E-S, eyes. H-A-I-R, hair. And C-H-E-E-K-S, cheeks. And then the last part, section B. What does she look like? She has short hair. Number 2, Sue is shorter than Lucy. And number 3, Tony is thinner than Sam. Okay, goodbye everyone.